Hello, Bruce Nilsson again. We're going to continue to talk about Claude skills, but before we continue, we really need to set up Claude Desktop, because if you really want to understand skills, you need the desktop version of Claude. So how do you do that? Here we are on a Claude page, and come down here, and here's me with my account here. This right here, Get Apps and Extensions, is what you want to click. Alternatively, you can click your profile, and there's a Get Apps and Extensions right there. So we'll go ahead and we'll click this, and it's going to bring us to the Downloads page. And for our purposes, we're going to look for Desktop, and I'm going to do Download to Windows. That's going to take me to my downloads. And obviously I've downloaded this before, so it's going to try to download a new version of it. So I've downloaded it, and it's going to say, give instructions here on how to install and open the app. And you can follow those instructions from there to actually install and open the app. Basically, you just run the Claude setup, and it's going to install it. Now, once Claude is set up for the desktop, it looks exactly like the web page. It's just that it's running in a local app. This is no different than like with ChatGPT. They've got an app like this too. We can do, new chats, etc. But you want the local version, because then it's going to give you some new things, and we need these for the rest of the videos that I'm going to be doing. So one of them is Claude Cowork. That's a little bit of a challenge to get set up. I'll have to explain that in a future video. Claude Code's what we probably really care about here, though. That basically, now that you have a desktop version, your Claude, the large language model, is able to be given a folder to work with of code, and it can work with you from there. And it's also going to be able to load local skills. So there is going to be a folder, I'm going to cover this in a future video, where you can actually insert skills, and you can have local skills that are not part of your web skills that we set up in the previous video. So having a local version of Claude is going to be necessary for me to explain, and then that will help you also see what a Claude skill really is. Kind of at the detail level, what is it that we're doing, and it will help me explain it. So that's why I wanted to do a quick video on how to install Claude Desktop. All right, don't forget to like and subscribe, and we will see you next time.